What's up, guys? So today I'm just replacing the headlights on my 2006 Ford F150. This is the 5.4 liter Triton. I believe this installation is the same all around for the 2004 to 2008 F150 series. You can see the reason I'm replacing them is because they're really old, the original headlights. A lot of people are going to say I could just get them restored for a fraction of the price, but honestly the headlights I bought were not even that expensive. I'll drop the link down below. I already actually put the headlight on here, the new one. Look at the difference, guys. I believe this was like less than $100. Like I said, the link will be down below. So no question about it. There's no reason for me to restore the originals when I could get those. As far as the bolts go, there's 3. So you're going to use a 10 millimeter here, another 10 millimeter here, and then you have one more 10 millimeter right there. And then there's just a little clip right here that goes in. Where is it at? I'm gonna go ahead and grab it for you guys. So this little push pin, you just push it in and push this down and you're good to go. So literally 3 bolts and that one push pin. It's probably the most easiest headlight installation I've ever done in my entire life, so no one should have an issue doing this. What I did before I put the headlight on though, so obviously this is it with the plastic on still, I went ahead and put some sealant, right guys? I highly recommend this for any aftermarket lights, especially when you're going on the cheaper route, because they tend to fog up or get water in them or moisture when it rains or when you wash it, because it's not sealed properly. These headlights in particular, I'm very impressed because they were sealed very nicely, but I still went ahead and I sealed along the edges here. So it's between the black plastic and the actual clear headlight lamp. So what you do is you squeeze a good layer there, and then once you have that layer, you'll grab your microfiber cloth and then you'll go ahead and just kind of squeeze it in here like that, wipe it off, make it look clean. I also put some inside here where the clips would be, and it's clear, that's why you don't see it anymore. It's right here, advanced silicone, 100% waterproof, and it's the clear. And I'll put the link down below for this as well. So yeah, highly recommend. So super simple. So we already took off the bolts here. So there's that clip, that bolt, that bolt. Now it's taking it off. So when you take it off, you have this part right here that's part of the truck. So you make sure you pull this out and don't just rip it out, because you'll end up breaking this, even though you probably won't even use the old headlight anymore. And I'll go ahead and remove it. So you usually want to start with one end, play around with it. You don't want to completely just manhandle it. There you go. Look how easy that came out. So the only thing that's really supporting it, other than the screws, are these things right here. But with enough force, they'll pop right out. That metal one in the bottom goes right there, and then obviously the top one goes right there. And that's the hardest thing, so don't be scared to pull straight out. You don't want to really pull at an angle too much, because you can end up snapping the old headlight, but like I said, you probably won't even use it anyways. And then you obviously want to remove the bulbs. That's another one. There you go. So just a twist, we'll use a little wrench right there. Well, the new headlights, guys, it's pretty cool because they actually came with 2 out of 3 bulbs. So you have the amber bulb, which is the orange one that you see there, and then the right amber turn signal light, or no, just the right amber light that goes there. That's already included as well, so you don't have to use the old ones, but you still obviously use the main light, which is the one right there in the middle. And then another tip, guys, we recommend, with this headlight in particular as well, we'll remove that one, because you can see the original one is a lot smaller, so that new one it's a little harder to get it put in there. So what we do is we'll take this off first, and then once that's removed, we'll put it into that, and then we'll push the headlight in. So it's pretty simple. You just open it up like that, take that off, push it nice and snug, put the main one in. Sounds pretty good. Now turn signal, so make sure they're all snug, all look good. You're gonna want to line this back up, and like I said, the most important part to begin is when I get that clip there. I'll try my best to get a good angle. Might be hard. Yep, push it there, push it in. There you go. Popped right in. And then you want to put a little more pressure towards the top so you could push that in. Alright. This is in the hole already, you can see. Good there. Putting in that first bolt. And then, like I said, we're using a 10 mil. You could use just a regular wrench, but it's a little quicker. Using a drill with the extension. You obviously don't want to over tighten it because you don't want to break the plastic of the headlights. Is that one? There you go. And we got this last pin right here, so you just want to feed this down underneath that housing, line the hole up there, go ahead and put that in there, and you just simply push that in and you're good. So now you remove the plastic. I always leave the plastic to the end just in case you scratch it during install. Dang, look at the big difference, guys. Why would I restore the old ones when you could literally pay like 30-40 bucks for brand new ones? I went with the white reflector opposed to the orange. But yeah, there you go. Now the most important part is making sure that they work, the bulbs. So let's go ahead and try it on. We got that. Get the main headlights on. That's good. Let's try the turn signal. Boom. That's good. That's good. Very nice. Maybe down the road I'll replace this with a more brighter white light. I don't really care. This is just a daily. That's the first mod to the F150, guys. I'm excited to show you guys what's next. I already got some wheels and tires. I'll make a video on that. I got the rear tailgate repainted as well. It was chipped. I'll include a picture right now. But yeah, that was chipped. Now it's paint matched, Oxford white. I'll do a little bit of buffing here. This is not a deep scratch, just something I can buff out with my polisher. But other than that, that's the first mod to the F150. I know there's a big group of you guys out there that own these and I like doing stuff to this, so I thought I want to add it to the channel. Still got the Mustang, the 5.0, so don't worry about that. But yeah, there you go.